lot of new affiliates get stuck trying to get their affiliate link on Selar dashboard. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to get your affiliate link on Selar dashboard. So if you are new to affiliate marketing or you just joined Selar affiliate marketing, I don't know where to get your link, this video is for you. Watch this video to the end because I'm going to drop a big bonus on how to promote your affiliate link organically and get sales like this you are seeing here. So the first thing we're going to do is to log into Selar. I'm going to show my phone screen right here. I believe by now you know how to log into Selar and you have made your 3,000 payment. If you have not made the payment, watch this video so that you can learn how to make your payment, get to Selar affiliate marketplace. So if you have made the payment, you are going to see this interface you are seeing right here. This is the first thing you are going to see. So what you are going to do here is you click on get started. You click on get started. You click on it. You click on get started and it will bring you to the marketplace. Look at this, the marketplace. If you scroll down there, you will see the categories here. This one is wealth and finance. This one is business, content and media, professional. In case if you don't know the name of the course you want to promote, but if you know the exact course you want to promote, you know the name of the course, what I'm going to do is just to click the name of the course right here. Let me say you want to promote a course, the name of the course, you know the name of the course you want to promote. Let me say EMSS by Continental. So just type the name of the course and it will bring out the course right here. As you can see, look at it, hot product, affiliate marketing sales secrets. So if you want to get your link, as you can see, get link here. Look at it here, look at it right here. You click on it. You click on get link. You click on the get link and it will bring out this thing here where you say get affiliate link. You are requesting to get an affiliate. Sorry, you are requesting to be an affiliate to affiliate marketing sales secret. So what I'm going to do here is you click on get link. Okay, as you can see, thank you for your request. Your request to be an affiliate of affiliate marketing sales secret AMSS for 15%. For 15%. So you have become an affiliate. As you can see right here, this is your affiliate. This is your affiliate link. Once you start promoting this link, once people buy through this your link, you get your commission, 55% commission. So this is your affiliate link. So this is your own affiliate link here. So what you're going to do is to copy the link and save it in your dashboard. But if you can't be coming to this place to copy your affiliate link. In case you want to copy your affiliate link, what you're going to do is to go to this place. Let me say, if you come to this place, you can see here all links and link affiliate marketplace. So what I'm going to do is to click on these three here. You click on these three, it will bring out the links that you are connected to. As you can see, these are the ones I'm promoting. As you can see, look at the link here, affiliate marketing sales secret. So this is your link. You copy the link and you start promoting it. If you found value in this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel and like the video, share it to people that just join affiliate marketing, and I'll be dropping in the next video on how to promote your link organically and get sales like the ones you are seeing here. See you in my next video.